all our YouTube followers and customers, I'd like to wish you all a very, very Merry Christmas and thank you for your patronage during the year. I hope COVID hasn't been too restricting and you've done some great projects during the year. I just want to cover off on a couple of new products we've got. We've now got a clear epoxy glue. Comes in 3 sizes, little tacker, little bit bigger tacker, and about a 750ml kit or gram kit. It's absolutely clear. So there it is there. Works very similar to the e-glue, but different. Same, but different. And the next one is we've now got a artist resin. It holds the colours. It won't disperse like the casting resin does. So very good for doing the arty type jobs, the breadboards, and where you want to see your swirls and things like that. And to finish off, we've got this amazing new product that Boatcraft's come up with. It's clear coating. You pour it on, it's a pour on coating, absolutely clear, absolutely magnificent. You get really good results with it. So Ian says it's been a good year from our neck of the woods with these new products coming on to support our woodworkers, all of these, but really great stuff. And thanks, and look forward to catching up with you in the new year.